Alright guys, what's up? We're about to head down here to South Carolina, Blacksburg, South Carolina. Maybe someone lives around there, I don't know. But I just found these heads on Craigslist for a LB7. They've been resurfaced, and I don't know, the guy said they've been redone and they literally look brand new. So I'm assuming maybe the valves, seats or stems, whatever, has been replaced. But $650 bucks, I'm gonna see if it'll come off the price, but even still, that's a pretty good deal. So we're about to head down here and get these things, and that's really gonna help me speed up the process of getting the D-Max back on the road. So that's about it for now. We'll just record if anything cool happens. We got a squad of Groms right here. They're from Florida, bro. Look, they're all tucked down there.
That dude is holding on.
Look at him.
Got the goon helmet right there. Hey, yeah.
Those things are screaming.
That
dude.
middle one looks big. I guess they are.
Follow them. Oh, they're gonna get caught. Dude, they're running like 70.
Oh my god. Bro, what? Oh my god.
They are out.
Dude, they're fucking. Oh! Oh! We just got a wreck on camera. What?
Oh!
What? Oh shit!
Fuck.
Damn, dude, that bike. Oh,
Bro,
it was
those
so
bikes
close,
about
dude.
died. Literally.
Oh my god, I got that on video! Holy
That
shit!
is the craziest shit we've ever caught on camera. What the fuck?
Look, they're shaking their damn heads, dude. They need. Oh, dude, they're lucky.
They about got fucked up, dude. Holy crap. That has my heart beating so hard.
What? Hell yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut it right there.
Let's see what's up with this dude.
Hell yeah. He gave us the peace sign. Alright, that's it, y'all.
Alright guys, so we got the head. Oh, I didn't even show the heads, but the fucking this guy's bitching this girl out right now. We're at cookout. Freaking window won't roll down, but here are the heads back here.
Bro, show him being a dick, bro.
What is he doing?
He's bitching at.
Oh, he is bitching her out.
He was yelling across the parking lot at that girl.
Yeah, but anyways, we got
another worker coming out here.
we got the heads back here. They have like a couple of tiny little things wrong with them, but overall they're still they've obviously been redone. So got them for $650. So pretty good deal. I'll show you guys. There's just like a tiny little couple little things, but the surface of the head doesn't have any like dings or anything in it, and definitely been redone. So there goes the angry guy right there. But we're about to head back out here and make some more vids here in a little bit.
We got this Camaro here.
Yeah,
We're gonna
do some ricer shit.
He's slipping his Bojangles. You don't want that.
He's driving slow as shit. Let's see, we'll find some.
Just slow down and just fuck.
Alright, so here's old Rusty or whatever. We haven't really named this one yet, but the work rig's about to get started up. It hasn't been started in like 2 weeks, so she might be. Oh, start it right up. A little bit of power steering fluid leaking. Hey, rev it up. Yeah, here comes the coolant smoke. It seems, oh, it's working a little bit. Just gotta get rolling a little bit. Coolant smoke. Give it gas right now. Alright. Oh yeah, you hear it knocking.
What is going on? It's locked.
Oh my god!
It
just shifted so hard.
I ain't gonna be able to turn. There you go.
Tear out.
Why is it locked up out of nowhere?
Had somebody come and welded it for me.
Yeah.
Is that one too?
Hold on, do it again. It's your side. It's your side. We're turning some heads out here at Advance. It's just roasting them pretty easy with this racing slick we got on here. So little tiny ass little tire. Alright, so she's looking real nice right now, nice and clean truck. But we just got a quarter of Lucas. Someone said this to do this on here, like on it, in a comment, but it's probably, we're just doing it to see what it does. We don't expect it to fix anything, but we're just putting it. This thing's low on oil. It's never had an oil change since he's had it, so
No need for that.
no need for a damn oil change.
I'm just fucking.
Yeah, break that thing off. Alright, so you can see this stuff going in there, nice and thick. So
It's probably good.
I mean, dude, I'd just put the whole thing
I
in
would,
there.
but I'm sure it's already full enough. I don't want to put way too much in
Who
it.
gives a fuck? It'll be alright.
Fill that son of a bitch up.
Fill her up with that old sludge right there. Look at it going in.
That shit's so thick. She's gonna like this.
We'll see if that quiets her down a little bit. Well, we can keep on rev tapping with some. Do it again. It's still there. Hold on. Maybe if you hold it. Dude, hold her for a little longer. Breaking her in out here at Advanced Auto. That was a huge burnout. Guys, the transmission just fucked up in this thing. I've never felt it clunk like that in my life.
I wonder why.
Maybe it's a little some of these. Alright guys, so we're taking the tires. This free truck that we got came with 245s on it. So probably gonna put some 265s on it, but taking this wheel off and doing a little swap here because we're about to go burn some tires in the work rig, and this tire is not gonna last very long. So especially since she's only one-wheel drive right now, all the power is going to that wheel, so it roasts them pretty fast. So hey guys, so something is fucked with this thing because it is rolling around like crazy.
Yeah, I think not supposed to do that. So yeah, there's either like a lot of play in the rear end or something in the trans is fucked up because it's been making a lot of noise today. But we're gonna go see if we can finish this thing off.
The trans is fucked, dude. Something is wrong. Something is fucked in the transmission. It's it's shifting into third so hard.
Let's keep her in second.
God almighty! All right. Oh no, dude. Hey, you won't jump it. Ah, we're fucked. No big deal. The red tap
He's a good one.
What are we gonna do now? Yeah, so also now the brakes are completely not working and you can see brake fluid down in there. So I guess probably
Look at the leaks. Look at the mold on this golf ball.
ew. Yeah, I don't know. So we're stranded out here now. It's gonna be interesting. So we'll have to see. Ooh! It didn't even do anything to it. It took that like a champ. Oh no, it did, but
Dude,
damn.
look at that's
The
a
golf
golf
ball
ball
imprint.
print. Hell yeah.
Guys, so I think next time this mulch pile here looks really nice, and maybe a little sneak peek. Work.
Heads up, John. Heads up. Heads up. Just watch out. Watch out.
Why would you do that?
You get that on video?
Yes.
Oh my god. Smacked in the fucking
I know.
I'm done.
So yeah, a little disappointed with today's what happened out here, but next time this mulch pile, I don't know, mulch pile is gonna run into a Chevy, so we're gonna maybe let the work rig jump that or something, but you ain't about it.
Alright. Dude, it's soft as fuck. Hold up. I don't think I heard it.
Come on, here comes Aiden. Do it. Ooh.
Drip that e-brake! Drip that some bitch!
Alright, so the other day the Cavalier started taking a little bit.
God almighty.
There is
Silch.
absolutely no oil in this thing. I mean, it's on a hill, but still,
Shit,
it's
not
at least a
enough
quart
to fucking
low.
not show.
Yeah,
Dude, it sounds like there's no oil.
I mean, it sounds like the valves are dry. Like,
what can I put in it? What did
just
I
throw
what did I
some.
fucking change?
The tick's gone. It's good, dude. Alright, so we're taking the Cavi to go get a trailer. About to do a little pool right here. got a ticket. We gotta route that Ingles, I'm sorry. Oh, right in this corner right here. No, there might not be nothing. There's a shit ton. There's a car meet. Let's bring it over. So we didn't know there was a meet going on over here, but we're gonna take the Cavalier over there and roll through. Alright, so there wasn't really much going on there, but I don't know, you're gonna have to let it eat past them, you know? Alright, we're gonna let them know. Let them know. Picked up the Cummins. We're gonna ride out here and get our trailer, and then we're gonna go figure out how we're gonna get the truck on the work rig on the trailer. It has no brakes and doesn't move at all, but I think we might just use the 8.1 since it has that brush guard on it. We might just push it up on there or something, but we'll just have to see. Alright guys, so sorry it's dark out here, but this is the 8.1 we got, Chevy. It's got this brush guard on it, which is actually pretty good. Pretty good strength, I guess. So we're going to use the brush guard on it to push the Chevy up on push the work rig. We've got too many Chevys around here. Gonna use that to push the truck up on there. So yeah, we'll just keep you guys updated real quick. I'm gonna disconnect this trailer. All right guys, so we got the 8.1 here. A lot of people have been wondering about this thing. Little update on it. It actually had a really big problem. The pump in the transmission went out, and it was causing the transmission to overheat really badly. Like, it overheated to 300 degrees. So we had to get the pump in this thing replaced. It's a 01 Allison 1000, and apparently they had some problems early on. But yeah, this thing only has 56,000 miles on it, so that was a little disappointing and unexpected. My dad got an exhaust put on it. We just got, like, it's pretty simple. It's nothing special, nothing super loud. This thing's super deep anyways, so it just gives it a little bit more rumble. It's got dual tips, come out at 45s, and I don't know what kind of muffler's on it, but it's anything special. You can probably kind of hear she's got a little bit more rumble than she used to. So it sounds good. It's nothing overbearing, but you guys can probably tell it's got a nice little deep rumble to it. But yeah, so unfortunately we had that big problem happen, but the truck is still running pretty good. Hey, one more time. Alright, we got Joel. He's putting this blanket just in case. Jacob's just holding the truck on the rev limiter, dude. I mean, there we go. Alright, like, I'm pushing them. Up. Yeah! What are you doing? Alright, I'm now pushing the front of this truck. You guys can't really see anything, but we're gonna get it on the trailer like this. Alright guys, so the poor work rig's grill is taking a lot of abuse right now, but it's getting pushed up on the Alright, so the work rig, she got a little messed up, getting pushed on the trailer. Grill got most of it, but I don't know, the rear brakes, one of the, I guess the caliper blew out or something, and it also stripped the rear differential out, so I don't know when this thing's gonna get fixed yet, but she'll be back eventually, guys, so just stay subscribed, and as always, go check out our Instagram at Rebel Mechanics. Peace.